Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civil Talks, and in this video I'm going to clear your all doubts about the plan of the building, how to study a plan of a building and its side elevation and its sectional elevation. So let's start. This is the plan of the building. This is the sectional elevation of the building, and this is the sectional side elevation of the building. So let's talk about plan of the building. Whenever you see any object from its top, this view is known as the plan. So in this building, a single bedroom of 3.5 into 3.5 meter and a living room of 4 into 3.5 meter and a bathroom of 1.5 into 2.5 meter and a veranda of 2.5 meter wide and the kitchen 2 into 2.5 meter. Friends, whenever you write any dimension of any room 3.5 into 3.5, it means that the width of the wall is not considered in this dimension. Means 3.5 is considered as, this is the distance. The inner distance of this room is 3.5 into 3.5. So when you want to know how much length of the building is, you simply calculate the length of the building, जैसे like its length into breadth. So 4 meter plus 3.5 meter plus this thickness of the wall. When you plus it, as I told you that the thickness of the wall is constant everywhere and it is 30 centimeter. When you convert it into the meters, it is 0.3, and when you plus it, what you get, it's 7.8 meter. Means the length of the building is 7.8 meter. And similarly, when you add the breadth of the room, that is 3.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.3, what you get is 6.3 meter. So simply you calculate the length into breadth of the whole building is 7.8 into 6.3 meter. And the windows and the doors are provided at suitable spaces. And in the kitchen, this shows that it is a slab, and this shows that it is a wash machine where we wash the utensils. And this is a window. This is also a window of different size. It's also a window. Window is actually, it's a sign of the window to show on the building. Make a line like this, and then there is a double line. Okay, and this is known as a chhajja. It protects building from the rain water, and the water drain out from this side. It does not make the building wet. Okay, this is generally made for protection, as you see in normal buildings also. And I made a sectional elevation, and I cut, this is the sectional elevation, I show it. This I cut the building from x dash, and I see make the elevation here. When you cut this building from this view, what you get, in this you will see a whole wall, and this window is seen as I make it here. This window is also seen when you cut it from here and look at in this direction. A window seems, and this is also a window. When you cut it from here, I make it here, and this wall. And here is the foundation of the building, which is 90 centimeter of depth and 90 centimeter of width. And below there is a earth filling, and over it 100 thick sand filling. Then over it 100 thick of lean concrete, and over it a thick cement concrete of 1:2:4. Lean concrete is basically 1:3:6, or it is taken as your priority. And over it, at the top, there is a RCC slab which protect the building to not percolate the water below the building, and over it a 100 thick rammed earth and a 20 thick plaster and 2 coats of bitumen. This is the parapet wall. Okay, this is the elevation, and this is the sectional side view. And I make the sectional side view when you cut a building from Y, Z and X axis. When you cut and see the building from in this direction, what you will get a window which I made it here. And when you cut here and see this window is seen to you, I make it here, and a door is seen to you, I make it here. And similarly there is also a rammed earth, 40 thick cement concrete, lean concrete, sand filling. These are the basic things which is put in the foundation, and over it a parapet wall in which RCC slab, 2 coats of bitumen, earth, and this all. This is the section. I hope you like this video, and this video helps you to clear your all doubts about the sectional elevation and the plan of the building. If still you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment box. I will definitely give you the answer. Thank you.